morning. Welcome back to Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. Today I am going to do a apple fruit crisp a different way. I've made this before on my channel, but this is something new. I took it off of this Tapioca box. So this is my first time making it, and I hope it turns out. We will see. Okay, I have 4 large cut up apples in here. And with that, I need to put a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Mine's just getting started. It's pretty early in the morning here. And 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is ground nutmeg here. I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of stevia for the sugar on it. Okay, then you want to take and you want to just mix that. I almost forgot my tapioca. I'm not used to using it. Take 2 tablespoons of tapioca. 1, 2. Hope y'all are staying well. I've heard a lot of people being kind of down right now with colds and fevers and different things, and people coughing in the stores, and feel bad for them, that's for sure. And my allergies have been bothering me. I think they're allergies because they started when fall started, and it just never cleared up yet. Kind of affects my throat and affects my eyes. Really bothers my eyes. They water all the time. Then you want to take and let it sit for a little bit on the counter. And now I'm going to mix up my crumbles that go on top of. So this is 2 flaxseed mill eggs. You pour that onto 1 1/2 cups of oatmeal. This is 3/4 cups of soy milk or plant-based milk of your choice, whatever you want. Okay, I'm just going to put a cap full of vanilla in. That's probably about a 1/2 teaspoon. Maybe I'll do another one and have a full teaspoon. Yeah, I love the smell of vanilla. And I buy this pure vanilla extract. I don't buy imitation vanilla. I used to, till I realized that pure vanilla might be more expensive, but it's a lot better for you, and it tastes a lot better. I mean a lot better. Then I have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I'm going to put in there. And you just want to mix that around. It's almost done here. Now you could take and chop up like a 1/2 cup of walnuts and put it in here, or maybe some carrots and put it in here. I've done that before. I've chopped up carrots real fine and put it in this, and that would be fine if that's how you want to do it. But today I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of my semi-sweets. It's just, I like chocolate right now for some reason. I think it's the Christmas time. That's what I think. And vanilla and chocolate, just really. And these semi-sweets I use, they're on my channel. I use the Enjoy, and you can find that on my channel. They don't have any dairy in them or no nuts. Very allergenic free. And then, or you can use, Nestle has a product out too like that. Okay, so then you're going to take and dump this apple mixture into your pan of your choice. Now they said a pie pan on the back of this one, but I like to use a rectangle It's easier for my family to just get a spoon and just spoon it out into their bowl, and I find it a lot better myself. So that's what I do, but you do what you want to do. If you want to put it in a pie pan, that's fine. Okay, so we got that together. Very easy. It comes together really easy, as you saw. There's not much to it. Then you want to just take your crisp mixture, because this is going to what this is going to do. It's going to have a crispy top to it. I don't use much crust ever. I don't use much flour in my cooking. I cook a lot with just oatmeal, rolled oats. Sometimes I'll use the quick oats, and this is a mixture of quick oats and rolled oats. So, and then you just want to put it on top like this, and then we'll put it in the oven for 45 minutes, and then I'll let you see what it's like. Okay? Look at y'all. Huh? Turned out really nice. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I know we will. Bye.